Hello, and thank you for joining us on another walk-around video with us here at Subaru of Saskatoon, located at 471 Circle Place. Today, we are looking at the 2018 Kia Stinger GT2 in snow white. This well-equipped Kia Stinger sits on 18-inch snow tires and has seating for 5 passengers. For the lighting, there are LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, and LED headlights. Also equipped is Kia's DriveWise that provides driver assistance technologies designed to keep you alert and aware to prevent and avoid collisions. Under the hood of the Stinger GT2 is an impressive 3.3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine that produces an amazing 365 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters and all-wheel drive. The Stinger comes equipped with smart key access and push-button start. Taking a look inside the door panel are the memory seating, power folding mirrors, door and window switches. For the seating, there is beautiful black Napa leather, a 16-way power adjustable driver seat, 12-way power adjustable front passenger seat with 4-way lumbar support, and also a power sunroof. On the left side of the steering wheel are the Bluetooth and radio controls and the cruise control switches on the right. Moving to the center dash is an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready. Below are radio and navigation and climate controls. Also equipped are 12-volt, auxiliary, USB, and wireless phone charger. In the center console, switches for different drive modes, heated steering wheel, and heated and cooled seats. Equipped in the rear are outboard heated seats, vents, charging ports, and an armrest for added comfort. In the rear of the vehicle, there is a power tailgate and 60/40 split seats for an added cargo space. Thanks again for tuning in with us at Subaru of Saskatoon. Call us or stop in and check out this Kia Stinger and the rest of the options not mentioned in this video.